Welcome to Vital Longevity. Hey there, viewers. No time for the gym this week, that's rough. But don't worry, you can still get in a killer workout with one of the most basic exercises ever invented: push-ups. Whether you're an athlete, military personnel, or just someone looking to stay in shape, push-ups are a go-to exercise for building strength. Today, we're counting down the top 10 benefits of doing push-ups regularly. Stick around because the last few might just surprise you. Starting off at number 10, push-ups are fantastic for strengthening and toning your upper body. This exercise targets your chest, triceps and shoulders, giving you that powerful upper body strength needed for everything from lifting groceries to flexing at the beach. Coming in at number 9, push-ups improve your functional fitness. That means the strength and stability you gain from push-ups directly translates to your everyday activities, making tasks like carrying heavy bags or moving furniture a whole lot easier. At number 8, push-ups offer endless variety. Once you've mastered the basics, you can spice up your routine with new variations. From diamond push-ups that target your triceps to clapping push-ups that build explosive power, there's always a new challenge waiting to keep you engaged. Moving on to number 7, did you know push-ups can improve your mood? It's true. Exercise in general releases endorphins, those feel-good hormones that help reduce stress and anxiety. So when you're feeling down, drop and give yourself 20. It might just turn your day around. At number 6, push-ups provide a natural energy boost. A quick set of push-ups gets your blood pumping and oxygen flowing, giving you that extra burst of energy you need to power through the rest of your day. Number 5. Push-ups are a great way to maintain your fitness level, no matter where you are. Whether you're at home, traveling, or stuck in the office, all you need is a little space to keep up with your workout routine and stay in shape. Coming in at number 4, push-ups can improve your posture. By strengthening the muscles in your shoulders, back, and core, push-ups help you stand taller and maintain better alignment throughout the day. This not only makes you look more confident, but can also reduce the risk of developing chronic back pain. Number 3, push-ups enhance your balance and stability. When you do push-ups, especially on unstable surfaces, you engage your core muscles to keep yourself steady. This translates to better balance in everyday activities and can help prevent falls as you age. At number 2, push-ups aren't just about getting ripped, they're also great for your joints. Your joints are where 2 or more bones meet, allowing you to move properly. The controlled motion of push-ups strengthens the muscles around your joints, helping to stabilize them and reduce the risk of injury. It's like a daily tune-up for your body. And finally, the number 1 benefit of doing push-ups regularly: improving your cardiovascular health. Push-ups give your heart a serious workout, helping to prevent cardiovascular problems down the line. When you push yourself, your heart pumps harder, sending oxygen-rich blood to your muscles. The result? A stronger, healthier heart. So there you have it, 10 incredible reasons to make push-ups a regular part of your routine. Start out with a few a day and work your way up. You got this. There are all kinds of modification for push-ups. Do them from your knees or elevated on a box or table. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more longevity tips and tricks.